I love going to the market, and I can never wait to cook up something fresh when I get home, especially seafood. Tonight I'm cooking garlic butter tiger shrimp. For this you'll need Swiss chard, a few tiger shrimp, garlic, a lime, butter, basmati rice, and salt and pepper. First, take the shrimp, throw them into a strainer, and give them a quick rinse. Once you've cleaned them, peel off the armor and legs. I like to leave the tail on. It keeps some extra flavor and makes a good handle for eating them too. Next, slice the lime in half and crush a few cloves of garlic. It's really easy. And kind of relaxing too. Let's move on to the rice. Some people avoid making rice because it can be finicky, but basmati couldn't be simpler. Pour half a cup into a pot, then add a full cup of water. Cover it, put it on high heat for 10 minutes, and just let it be. Now back to the tiger shrimp. Chop off a chunk of butter, about a quarter of a stick, and place it in a skillet on medium-high heat. Drop the crushed garlic cloves in and let it all melt together. In the meantime, wash a few leaves of Swiss chard, chop off the ends, then the stalks, and set it aside. The shrimp will be the first to go in the garlic butter mix. Crack some pepper, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and squeeze in half a lime. These only need 2 minutes aside, so keep a close eye on them. The rice will be piping hot by now. Don't touch it. Give the shrimp a quick flip and cook them for another 2 minutes. When they're done, take them out but leave the garlic butter mixture for the Swiss chard. First, throw the stalks in, give them a good shake so they get completely covered, then after a minute or two, add the leaves. Lightly drizzle them with oil, and let it all cook for about 60 seconds. At this point, everything should be ready. Take the Swiss chard and rice off the heat, fluff up the rice, then start to plate it. Make a nice bed of rice, add a little butter, put the Swiss chard and garlic cloves around the outside, and set the tiger shrimp on top. Add a little salt and pepper, and if there's any extra garlic butter in the pan, be sure to use that too. There you have it. A market fresh meal you can make in minutes. Easy peasy.